Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Assassin's Creed Shadow DX12 errors, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is make your way over to the search bar on the bottom left right here and type in Device Manager. Once Device Manager is open, you can make your way over to Display Adapters, select it, hit right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver. And then you can go ahead and choose how do you want to search for drivers. I recommend doing search automatically for drivers, and that will update your drivers. Once that's done, you guys can go ahead and check to see if that helps fix the issue. The second method is you can update your drivers from the GeForce Experience app itself if you have NVIDIA. And if you're on AMD, there should be an equivalent app, or you can just do it directly from Google. Just type in AMD drivers, latest drivers installation. But other than that, if you're on GeForce Experience, go ahead and go over to drivers, and then go ahead and hit download if you have the any available drivers. Now, once you're done with that, again, check to see if that fixes the issue. The third method you guys can try doing is make your way over to Steam, look for Assassin's Creed Shadows. I'm just going to use a random game as an example, but right click on it, hit properties, and go over to installed files. Now from installed files, what you can do is make your way over to verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit verify integrity of game files, and that should also help fix the issue because this will remove any corrupt files that may have been installed. And that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.